YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Nice, cold, bittery winter day here in the Chi. Going to Chick-fil-A. Checking out their new spicy grilled chicken sandwich.
Have you ever
Holla at your boy!
felt
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What is up, my YouTube foodie fam peeps? It is your boy, Big Rick. And I'm back with RickNation Eats. All right, y'all already know what I have. So without further ado, let me present y'all this fire grilled chicken sandwich from Chipotle right now. All right, guys, here we go. This is the spicy grilled chicken sandwich, all new at Chick-fil-A. I don't know if you can tell now, but it looks spicy, looks red. I'll let y'all know how spicy it is, so I'm going for the first bite right now. The bun is soft. Oh, there's the heat. The heat comes in a little late, a little delayed, but it's hot. Don't you know how you worry that grilled chicken sandwiches are dry? This is not dry at all. This is moist. Ooh, that heat kicking in. Nice fresh tomato, crunchy lettuce, nice soft bun. This is good. This is good. This is a great healthier option than fried. Not that spicy. It's spicy. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man. The heat doubling up. Woo! So I got this with the American and COLBY Jack cheese. Sorry, I love cheese. The freshness of the tomatoes. What kind of bun is this? This is a really good sandwich. This is a really good sandwich. It's not dry, not tough. Soft, succulent, juicy, grilled, spicy chicken breast. Chick-fil-A. Holla at your boy, man. Not thick, as y'all well know. I like my chicken sandwiches thick. Not thick at all. It's a nice, medium thin grilled chicken breast. Very well seasoned. Heat is not that bad. This is good. I can easily destroy about 3 of these. Easily. Nice, soft bun. Nice chicken fillet. Cheese. 2 big red tomatoes. Lettuce. It's really good. Woo! I destroyed this sandwich. She had 2 slices of cheese on there. Yeah. This is so good. Everything about this sandwich was fresh. People tend to forget about the grilled chicken breast. We like to go with the fried chicken breast. Grilled is healthier, and when it's made right, it's even better. Boom. I'm mad. Still got 3 of those. Review time. All right, my RickNation foodie peeps. Today I ate the new grilled chicken sandwich, spicy, from Chick-fil-A, and I must say, it delivered. So, let me rate this sandwich right now from Chick-fil-A. Out of 5, which is the best score that I'm giving, I give this spicy grilled chicken sandwich at Chick-fil-A a 5. That's right, baby boy. That grilled chicken sandwich get a 5. Home run all day. It's a day 1 for me. I will be getting that sandwich again. I ain't playing games. I'm getting that sandwich again. I'm going to go right now, grab 2 more of those, and demolish them. All right, guys, that'll be it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. I hope everybody's staying safe. And always, be careful out there. All right, y'all? If you're new to the channel, like, share, subscribe. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. For RickNation Eats.